morning, everybody. Today it's a day with no plans, and Tanner and I we decided to eat pizza again from 7-Eleven. Yeah, we do that, and now we're paying for it. So we had a rough morning already. We got Allie over here. She's just running around.
I'm never eating pizza from 7-Eleven.
Yeah, we're never eating pizza from 7-Eleven. I say that, but I'll probably do it again. Plans for the day? Well, I am going to go to the character warehouse to pick up a couple items. And we got a giveaway coming, due 100 subscribers ago. And then outside of that, everybody's going to take a nap, probably go swimming. I'm going to edit the day 3 cruise video. Got a lot of free time today, and I think we need it because last night's Boo Bash really burnt the family out. Except her, look at this one. Hi! She's so excited today. So, thanks for joining us. And just like that, the family's asleep, taking a nap. It's the middle of the day. Again, Boo Bash really burnt them out last night. We're going to head on over to Hollywood Studios because when the family's taking a midday nap, Ron on the go is going to go to the park because I can't take midday naps. I did that yesterday, really messed my whole day up. Also, Chick-fil-A happens to be on the way, so we're gonna go get some Chick-fil-A. Just tried to go inside the Chick-fil-A because the parking line was huge. Now I know why. They are understaffed, so they are not opening their dining area because they don't have enough people to work. It's crazy. That is something I've been noticing a lot here in Florida, is the hiring comes with a bonus, right? I mean, TSA $1,000 bonus after your first 90 days, you get half, and then the other half is after your first year. Disney's doing it. They just can't get people to go to work. So, which is good for me because I'm trying to move here, right? There's jobs available, but man, wish we could move now, but it would cost too much right now for me to move here. So as you can see, I have my Black Spire Day here on, which is my Star Wars shirt for Black Spire Outpost at Hollywood Studios. Got my Chick-fil-A here, got my drink of choice, and let's go to Hollywood Studios.
Thank you.
And just like that, we are back in Hollywood Studios. Check it out, we got Mickey and Minnie up there. I'm so sad right now. My daughter would love to see this, but they are asleep. So the park times, wait times are saying 30 minutes for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, 30 for Toy Story Mania, 45 for Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run. Wait times seem a little slow. It is exactly 1 o'clock right now. Virtual queue opened and closed for the 1 p.m. for Rise of Resistance. We're not going to be here that long. We're probably just going to ride a ride or two. We got to jet back to the family. Current time's 1:05. We're in line for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. I would like to see the pre-show. I never have, so this is the chance to do it. I'll let you know how long we wait in line. 15 minutes and we're into the show building, which is the old Chinese theater. And we should be coming around the corner to go into the pre-show. Current time is 1:40. Waited in line 35 minutes, and here we are to the pre-show.
Nothing can stop us now. Hi, Goofy.
Howdy. Beautiful day for a picnic.
Yep, we're off to the park.
See y'all there. Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there.
Who, me?
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Oh my
Hey, baby.
Sure you can good care of our friends. Liftoff! There they are! We have to stop them before they go over them!
That was my first time seeing the pre-show. I loved it. It was so good. It feels like a whole new ride, just adding that. Also, we got a thunder rainstorm happening right now. And you can see everybody's crowding under the awning here, as I am myself. But the wife has requested some items, so we need to hurry up, go ride something, and then get out of here so I can go get those items for her. Bright suns, everybody. We're back on the beautiful planet of Batu. Also, it is raining here on Batu. It's a little wet. Black Spire Day. We're going over here to the Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run. We're gonna work for Hondo today. Hondo's the man. He's gonna pay us some credits. He's gonna take a good portion of them. So let's go ride a Millennium Falcon one time, and then we gotta get going. There's the boss right there, Hondo, talking to us right now. We're in the single rider line. It's the best line. We'll probably be on the ride in just a couple minutes. Straight walk on the ride. Did not even wait a minute. Obviously engineer, but here we are in my favorite place. Galaxy's Edge, Millennium Falcon.
Ah, a brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Gunners, shoot the train.
Always a great time on Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run, especially when it's a walk-on. And we get to go to the extra part where the asteroid field is. It's just an extended part when the ride is a little slow. But woo! Alright, now we have to leave the park, unfortunately, and go to the store, get some juice and stuff for the family, and head back there. But what a great time. I need one of those for my own transportation. As you can see, the market's back open, everything's back to semi-normal here at the parks. Crowd levels today for a Saturday are very low, but it was a great time to be here at Hollywood. I cannot wait until the Indiana Jones show comes back. It's for stage shows, that's one of my favorites of all time. As me and Allie were just about to leave, we hit some weather. It's raining so hard that you can't even see it through the screen, but the parking lot down there is completely flooded with water. It's raining pretty hard right now. It's been raining pretty much all day. I got my boo girls all ready to go. You ready to go bye-bye? Yeah? So as soon as this clears up, it's just a small amount of weather passing by. Well, once it's clear, we're gonna head out of here, head back over to Disney. Unsure where we're gonna go, but we're gonna go somewhere. So we will see you when we get to where we don't know. Me and the boo girl are at Animal Kingdom. We're making a quick stop. We're gonna go ride Kilimanjaro Safari. We got about an hour left till the park closes, so we definitely can make it. It says it's a 5-minute wait, so we're doing it. We made it. There she is. They stopped running the last one an hour before the park closes. But we're on. We made it. You ready? Yeah? You thumbs up? She's not quite sure what to expect.
The greater kudu actually is about 55 inches tall at the shoulder, and they can weigh up to 750 pounds. Stripes. Those are going to be wildebeest. Their name in Afrikaans means wild beast. They actually do travel in groups of up to 1.5 million to migrate each year to the savannah. On the right, you are going to see big mane on their face. The female lions will not have a mane. One thing that's really cool about the lions is they actually sleep about 16 to 20 hours per day.
Whew. There's a family there, but besides that, we went to the bathroom, we changed Allie, and we have nobody here. It's a whole park to ourselves. Isn't that fun, Allie? Hi. She's been waving at everybody. It's so adorable. We were coming in as everybody was leaving, and she was just like, hi everybody. She's gonna love it here. She's gonna live here and be the happiest little girl ever. Back on the planet of Pandora with the floating rocks and the drums and tribal noises and the animals and the crickets. Are you excited? Yeah, that's my girl. She's so happy when she's here. I think she's my Disney princess that I've always wanted. Let's go get you all dressed up. I haven't been on Navi River journey since the last time I was with her back in 2020, last year for Shelly's birthday. I'm excited. Are you excited? You excited? Yeah. Thumbs up, everybody. Two very successful rides on Navi River journey. Allie did great. She loved it. Allie, did you love it? Yeah. She thumbs up every time we got off. She wasn't sure about the shaman, but the rest of the ride, she was loving it. But now you got the fluorescent paint lighting up on the ground as everything starts lighting up in the night. Unfortunately though, the park is closed. It's 8 p.m., a little after 8 p.m. now. We were the last boat to go out at 7:59. That was pretty cool. We were almost the last safari ride. We were one truck in front of the last one. And now we're gonna head back to the family, see how they're doing. Probably get some food because I don't think we've eaten since 4:30. We'll find out. We'll see them when we get there. And now we're there, and they're asleep because it's 11 o'clock at night. Yeah, we had a bit of a break there. I went and got some Chick-fil-A for the family, and I mean, what a surprise. It's Sunday tomorrow. We can't get the filet. Tomorrow I need to go return the rent-a-car, pick up another rent-a-car, and then we take off to go to Tampa tomorrow. So we have a lot going on. We're spending a day in Tampa, and our hotel is right next to the Tampa Bay Buccaneers Stadium. And I didn't know that last time we were there, just 2 weeks ago. So we're gonna go check that out. Either way, what a great day. Went to Hollywood Studios, rode Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, then went to Black Spire Outpost, Bright Suns, and then back out to the park where we went to Animal Kingdom with my daughter. She's under 3, so she gets in for free. Under 3, that's why I have an annual pass, so I was able to park hop. That was awesome. She had a great time and literally came back and passed out. But I think that's about it. I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit that like button. Lets me know you enjoyed it. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do. And we're going to Tampa tomorrow? Trying something new. So you're going to want to see that. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.